Dubai Silicon Oasis. Known as the city within a city, Dubai Silicon Oasis has become one of the most popular neighborhoods in Dubai, especially for expats. Bayut's Dubai Property Market Report for Q3 2020 has also revealed that the area remains one of the popular neighborhoods for buying and renting apartments in Dubai. This is not surprising, considering the affordable, well-maintained residential and commercial spaces that the area offers. Silicon Oasis Dubai started as a hub for tech startups but has also quickly grown into a buzzing residential district. If you're interested in moving to this popular area, read on to discover the pros of living in Dubai Silicon Oasis, as well as the things to consider before moving to Dubai Silicon Oasis. Those looking to live in Dubai Silicon Oasis will be spoilt with an array of property types to choose from. The apartments in Dubai Silicon Oasis range from cozy studios to roomy 3-bedroom apartments. This makes it ideal for all types of residents, from young professionals to small families who are interested in living in DSO. Families willing to spend a little more can choose between the two villa communities, Summer Villas and Sudra Villas, which have a good selection of family-friendly units. Access to schools and universities. Another reason why families choose to move to Dubai Silicon Oasis is its close proximity to schools. Those with school-going children can also enjoy easy access to GEMS Wellington Academy, the Indian International School, GEMS Modern Academy, Repton School Dubai and King's School Nad Al Sheba. All these schools are only a 10 to 15-minute drive away from Dubai Silicon Oasis. Some of the top universities in Dubai are also located near Dubai Silicon Oasis, in the neighboring community of Academic City. These include Heriot-Watt University Dubai and Manipal University Dubai. It makes Dubai Silicon Oasis a practical choice for higher education students who don't want to live in campus housing. Residents living in Dubai Silicon Oasis also benefit from affordable rental prices in the area. The reasonable rents have made Dubai Silicon Oasis one of the most popular neighborhoods in Dubai for renting apartments. It's also an excellent choice for those who work in the area's buzzing tech park. Interested in moving to this area? The studios for rent in Dubai Silicon Oasis start from 24,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams, while the 3-bedroom villas for rent in Dubai Silicon Oasis start from 130,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams per year as per current listings on Bayut. There are also plenty of freehold properties for sale in Dubai Silicon Oasis that attract foreign investors and expats looking for their first home in Dubai. Those looking to buy studio apartments for sale in Dubai Silicon Oasis can expect to pay a starting price of 230,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Buyers keen on purchasing villas in a family-friendly suburb can also look at the villas for sale in Dubai Silicon Oasis.